Hi all, today I'm going to do unboxing for my new Saint Laurent item and also my new addition, small little thing from Louis Vuitton. And this one is supposed to be a gift for my friend, one of my friend. Me and my BFF bought this one for her birthday soon. I don't think I will open this on my video today, but just to show you guys how pretty is this packaging. And this is the cards. Okay, so now let's get into my items. Let's start with these little things first. It's from Louis Vuitton, and I know I have said that I won't buy any more SLG if I could, but I can't pass on this one. So this is the card coins. I think it's called card coins. It's from Men's Line. And I got this one after I saw Cassie Thorpe's video. I will link her video down below. Unboxing this one, I fell in love instantly, and I contact my SA, my CA to get me this one, and it finally came. I love it because it's thin and it's small. It's small enough to fit into my small bags. So that is the Louis Vuitton. And next, from Saint Laurent, this is the Saint Laurent Walk. This one is in color cork. I will put the name on the screen too for you. So it's like a dark nude color with gold hardware. I love it because it's bigger than Chanel Walk, and it looks like it will be more functional. So that is the Saint Laurent. I like it that the strap here is detachable. I will detach it for you soon after this. Now before I take off all the seal, I will show you that this bag comes with these cards, authenticity cards, seal card. Let's see what's inside. So it looks like that. And this one is, oops, the 2019 card. And that is that. And about the color of this bag, you can see here, it is the cork color. I hope you can see that. It's cork over there, and the barcode and everything. So let's take off this one. I love this color because it's not too light beige. It's perfect nude for me. So I will cut this one. I think I can detach the strap from here. This part here, I like it that I can do the detachable strap, because if I want to use it as a clutch, it would be easier. Detach the strap. from this part. This is the first time I have this walk, so bear with me. Okay, so it's detached from the back and it's perfect. The size is very good. I love it. It has card slots. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 card slots, 1 slip pocket, and on the back are also 10 card slots with 1 slip pocket, and in the middle it's 1 zipper compartment, and the inside is in leather, which is very nice. It's in leather too, and this is the Saint Laurent Paris in gold embossed. I hope you can see that. Okay guys, so that's all my unboxing today. I love them both for sure. Actually, I was going to buy the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. My CA brought it for me. I will insert the clip. I got the chance to film it. The bag was super cute. I almost fell into it, but when I tried with my phone fits inside. My phone is a big phone. It's 6.3 Samsung Note 8. It fits inside the Nano Speedy, but I have to kind of maneuver it. This one too, I have to maneuver into the bag, so to get in and out from that Nano Speedy is very difficult. So I gave up on it. I think it won't be useful for me as much as I want it. I pass on it because too small. If you remember, I had the Gucci Super Mini, which is fall into my worst purchase of 2018. I don't want the Nano Speedy would be my worst purchase too, so before that happened, I just passed on it. It's too small for me. When I watched the YouTube video on it, it looks not as small, but you just have to see it in person to see how small it is. It can carry a lot more than my Gucci Super Mini Marmon, but still it is very small, and to get things in and out of that Speedy Nano is very painful. So I'm glad that I passed on it, and I just got this from my Louis Vuitton, and this one I got from my personal shopper. It came yesterday, and I just unboxed it today with you guys. So that's all for my unboxing today. Thank you for your time, and hope to see you again soon, guys. Bye. I forgot to mention that this one is in silver hardware, which I like at this moment. Silver hardware. It has 1 slip pocket on the front, and here is the middle pocket looks like, and 4 card slots on the back. Here is the model number. And the work is in saffron pattern, and the leather is in grain leather, like caviar leather, which is very nice. It will be durable. And here is the chain. The gold is very deep yellow color, which is super nice and looks very luxurious. Opens with 1 snap button. I already attached back the strap, which is so easy. I think I'm going to love this one. Okay guys, bye.